Hello, this is Theo Marshall of MarineMax Boston, and today we're aboard the 2020 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. Starting in the back here, she's powered by twin 300 horsepower Mercury engines. A little bit of room on your swim platform there. You have your rod holders here in the aft. Nice bench seat that can comfortably sit two. On the port side here, a little bit of storage. Moving into the boat, you have your live well. Again, more rod holders, cup holders, stainless steel rail, freshwater sink, and a very nice cooler storage there so you can keep all your beverages nice and cold under the sun. On the hard top here, you have again additional rod holders with additional storage. At the helm, you can comfortably seat two. You have your throttle, Raymarine screen, your gauges, switches, your compass, anything you may need. Moving up into the console, you have your head with some additional storage space where you can stow away that bow table for those nice picnics on the water. Up against the console, you have this large sun pad, very comfortable seating, lounge area, and under it, a real great amount of storage space. All your fenders, covers, whatever you may need. Real roomy. Here's where you set up that little bow table. Again, we have some more storage underneath here. Plenty of room. You'll notice the additional cup holders, more stainless steel rails to hold on to. It's a very safe boat. And here we have the anchor locker. Again, this is the 2020 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. For any questions, any additional information, please contact us. Feel free to reach out at MarineMax Boston, whether it be here in Quincy or up in Danvers. Thank you.